how to reset NordicTrack Treadmill. All right, so your first method is a soft reset. So how does this work? A soft reset clears temporary glitches without deleting your settings. So you have to first turn off your treadmill. So turn off the treadmill, unplug the power cord, wait for 10 to 30 seconds, and then simply plug it back in and reinsert your safety key and then turn the treadmill back on. So just wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Now, the next method we're going to be following through is a factory reset. So this works on newer touchscreen models. So if a soft reset doesn't work, you can try a factory reset, which basically involves turning off the treadmill, locating a small reset pin hole, which is either on the side or behind the console, and just simply inserting a paper clip into the reset hole and then holding the reset button. So while you hold it, turn the treadmill back on and continue holding until the process starts. Many owners report that the reset button must be held while powering on, not after the treadmill is already running. All right, guys.